Have you been seeing those tiny wooden car crafting videos everywhere on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts lately? They're pulling in massive attention, and it's easy to understand why. Brand new channels are growing incredibly fast by posting this exact content style, with many videos collecting thousands and even millions of views. The exciting part? You don't need woodworking experience, expensive editing software, or advanced AI skills. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact workflow I use to create these viral miniature wooden car videos with AI in just a few minutes. The first step is opening ChatGPT on your computer. Once you're there, enter this simple prompt. Give me 15 engaging car names and models from popular brands like Rolls-Royce, BMW, Lamborghini, Ferrari, and Mercedes. Hit generate, and within a few seconds you'll receive a list packed with attractive car models. Take a moment to pick the one that stands out the most, because unique and recognizable vehicles usually attract more clicks and better watch time. Now, open the prompt link provided in the description below and copy the complete prompt. After that, head over to Google Flow. Switch to the video section, select the OmniFlash model, and adjust the settings however you prefer. Once that's done, paste the full prompt into the prompt box. If you're enjoying tutorials that save you hours of work and help you grow faster with AI, make sure you're subscribed, because I've got plenty more practical workflows coming. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the name of the car model you selected earlier. Go back to Google Flow and replace the vehicle placeholder inside the prompt with your chosen car model. Here's a small tip that can noticeably improve the final result. Instead of using only the vehicle name, place your preferred color before it. For example, write matte black Lamborghini Aventador or pearl white Rolls-Royce Phantom. This gives the AI a much clearer visual direction and often produces far more impressive outputs. Once everything is set, simply click Generate and let the AI handle the rest. After a short wait, you'll have a cinematic miniature wooden car building video that's ready to upload to your social media platforms. The best part is that you don't have to change your workflow every time. Just repeat these same steps with another car model from your list. Every different vehicle creates fresh content while keeping the same viral format that audiences already enjoy watching. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more AI content creation strategies, and before you go, leave a comment telling me the biggest problem you're facing in YouTube automation. I personally go through the comments, and your question could become my next tutorial, so everyone can benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.